First, I'll prepare the chicken. After rinsing it thoroughly, I usually take a moment to trim off any excess fat and skin, then use paper towels to pat the surface completely dry. This helps the dish look neater and more presentable. Next comes the marinating step. I take out the mortar, add the Thai basil and lemongrass, and lightly pound them to release their aroma. Then, right in the mortar, I add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, some grated lemon zest, finely minced garlic, one tablespoon of mustard, salt, and pepper. And finally, the juice of 1 lemon. Mix everything together into a thick, fragrant paste. If this is your first time watching my video, please leave a comment below with a greeting from your country. It's wonderful that we're connected from all over the world. Pour this marinade into the bowl with the chicken. Then use your hands to rub it evenly into each piece, so the seasoning coats everything. Take your time with this step, so the meat will be more flavorful when grilled. After that, I let the chicken rest for about 1-2 hours. If you have time, you can let it rest a little longer. The flavors will penetrate even more. While waiting for the chicken, I prepare the side dish, potatoes. I leave the skin on because it's high in fiber, which is great for digestion. I wash them thoroughly and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Then I toss them with salt, pepper, and a pinch of chili powder, olive oil, simple dishes like these roasted potatoes actually pair perfectly with chicken. They're hearty and help balance the rich flavor of the meat. Once the chicken is marinated, I take it out and arrange it on a baking sheet. Alternating with the potatoes around it. Don't forget to drizzle the remaining marinade over the top, so everything stays moist while baking. Bake in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I prepare another glaze to brush over the chicken. In a small bowl, I mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of chili powder, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Stir well until the mixture is smooth. After the first 25 minutes, I take the tray out, brush this sauce over the chicken, add a few lemon slices to enhance the aroma. Then return it to the oven to bake at 190 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. While waiting for the chicken to finish cooking, I quickly prepared the sautéed asparagus. All I needed was a small skillet. I added olive oil and a little butter, then tossed in the asparagus. I added 1 tablespoon of honey, squeezed in the juice of half a lemon, and seasoned with salt and pepper to taste. I stirred gently, then covered the pan for about 5-6 minutes, so the asparagus would cook through, while still retaining its crispness. I learnt this method from my grandmother. She always said that asparagus doesn't need too many spices, just a touch of richness from the butter, a hint of sweetness from the honey, and the fresh tang of lemon is enough to highlight the vegetable's natural flavour. By now, the chicken skin will gradually turn a glossy golden brown, looking very appetizing. We're almost at the final step. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see the final result. Once everything is done, I take the chicken out of the oven. At this point, the aroma of lemon, herbs, and honey blends together beautifully. I arrange the chicken on a plate and add roasted potatoes and asparagus on the side. And there you have it, a simple yet healthy lemon-glazed roast chicken. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to support me. See you in the next videos, and I hope you enjoy a delicious meal.